How to cash out on Robinhood or how to withdraw money from Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Vesnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can cash out from Robinhood. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Robinhood application either on the web or the application, and you want to log into your account. Now in my case, my identity isn't verified, so I won't be able to show you in detail, but I'll just be guiding you through, so stay tuned till the end of the video. So what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once here, you want to tap on the settings icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now here in my case on the screen, you'll see that there are only 3 different options. It's because my account isn't verified and I haven't linked my account here, my bank account or the payment account, and I haven't started trading. But however, if you have done so, you'll get the option that says various options that says investings and transfers as well. So you want to select the transfers option. So remember, you want to select the transfers option from menu, and there you'll get the withdraw option. You want to select withdraw, and from there you want to add in your details and you'll be able to cash out. So this way you can cash out on Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.